welcome to our Crazy Craft Scotland, and in this video I am going to show you my new light pad that I got. I did show this in my recent craft haul video that I did, and I'll link that for you in the description box below if you've not seen it yet. But I did say that I would do a separate unboxing video showing you exactly what it's like and how it works and all the rest of it. So here it is. Right, so I've basically just taken it out of the box, and it has got little protective foamy bits on the corners, which is nice, and it's got protective foam over the top of it as well. Let's take this off. And this is what it looks like. So the bottom here, we've got the on-off button, I think. We've got a little sort of instruction manual bit there. Easy operation, apparently, it would need to be. We also have got a USB cable. I'm hoping that I can just plug that into my laptop, but it does look like it's a decent length, which is good. Let's open it up and have a look. Oh yeah, great length. That it really is a good length. That's good, because sometimes these things can have tiny wee cables, which can be really frustrating. Right, I'm going to be brave and not bother reading the instructions. I'm just going to take these off. There we go. It can't be that difficult, can it? Famous last words, Fiona. Right, let's figure out where we plug this in. It's very, very thin. Can you see how thin it is there? Very thin, very lightweight, so it's very portable, which is good. Now, where do we plug it in? Aha! Here is where we plug you in. Can you see that? Of course it's beside where the on-off button is, Fiona. That was a bit silly. Looking for it, it was there all the time. Right, so plug that in there. Plug it into my handy dandy laptop. I always watch crafting videos when I'm crafting, so my laptop is always here, which is good. Right, so it's plugged into my laptop now. Oh, we have got a little blue light here. So we've definitely got power, that's a good thing. Oops, I've got dog hair all over it already. Oh, wow, that is cool. I like that. Now, has it got different brightnesses? Let's see. Oh, right, so we've got off, got on, next brightness, then off. Excellent. Now, it does also come with a little stand, like so. I'm filming on my GoPro for the first time, so if this is a bit weird and laggy, that's why. I'm just wanting to see what it's like. So, how does this work? This will be very, very handy. If I can get it to work. It'll be very handy because, right, so it's got an on-off button there. Does that actually work? I don't know. Oh, aha, ha, hee, hee, ho. Right, so I take it goes like that, and you can have it at whatever angle you want. Now this will be handy because it does hurt my back stooping over all the time. Let's have a wee looky-see if this sits on here. Am I doing it right? Am I doing it right? Oh, it does. Doesn't feel overly sturdy, but oh, it's a bit top heavy. Maybe I should put it upside down. Should I put it this way? Nope, doesn't work that way. Oh, just switched it on. Maybe if I put it up a bit, see if that works. That's better. I think it was just too far back. Wow, that is really cool. Now, I just happen to have a diamond art here. Wait, I'll switch this off. I happen to have a diamond art here that I've not started yet, and I wanted to use this one because the symbols in the dark grey bit are actually quite hard to see. I don't know if that's coming up on camera or not, so I thought this would be quite a good test to try out the light box and see whether that's going to work or not. So the light pad even. Now, this is where the little clips come in fact. Think about it, Fiona, it would need to be this way around, wouldn't it, for a diamond art this shape. So this is where the little clips come in, because it does come with 4 little clips like this, and they don't look like they're up to much, but let's see. I would want to be clipping that on here. Maybe once the next one's on. No, these clips really are as rubbish as they looked. Am I doing it wrong? Am I meant to do it? Oh, no, that doesn't. Ah, maybe like that. Am I being really thick here, folks? Yes, I was. Okay, was just being stupid. I've figured it out now. So, you put the metal clips up like that, and when you do that, it opens and closes. I'm so thick. Right. I bet you were all shouting that at the camera, weren't you? You're like, ah, Fiona, this is what you do. Right, so clip that there. That's better. That's better. Right. And we will clip this one here. We will switch it on it. Ooh. There we go. Right, let's have a look and see. Can we now see the symbols? Yep, I can definitely, I don't know how well it's shown up on the video, but I can definitely see those symbols a lot better. And the fact that it's now sitting at a complete angle is fab. Yeah, I like that. I think that's going to be, oopsie, I think that is going to be really, really handy. And there's other clips here, so I can clip the bottom as well, so it's not moving about when I'm doing it. It might feel weird doing it at this angle at first, but I think it would definitely be better for my back. How cute is this picture, by the way? Oh, it's so cute. So yeah, that is the light pad. I keep calling it a light box. This is the light pad that I got from Amazon, and I have to say I'm very impressed. It was £21, and that came with the stand, the 4 clips that do work, Fiona. Yes, look at that, they do work. And also it came with a roller for rolling over your drills at the end of a diamond painting to make sure they're all stuck down. And I'm very impressed with that. I will link it below. Please let me know what you think of it and what you think of me being really stupid and not being able to work the clips. But I love the fact that it has got a nice long cable, so you can either plug it into your laptop or you can plug it into a USB plug. I also like the fact that it has a stand, and the stand is adjustable, and it seems quite sturdy. It doesn't seem too bad at all, and it was well packaged. What else is there to say about it? 3 different brightnesses. I do like that as well, according to whatever painting we're doing. And I think this is going to make my life a little bit easier. So thank you so much for watching this video. It was just a little quick short one to show you a bit more about this light pad that I showed you in my recent haul. Right, I'm going to go now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next one. Thanks everyone. Bye.